In my last video, I didn't fully explain what it is that I was doing in detail. I know I kind of mentioned the Amazon Influencer Program, kind of ish how I did it, that kind of thing, but let me just fully give you the rundown in case you don't understand. Now, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Xeron, and I just like making content about gardening and homesteading and eventually retiring my father. So it's my financial journey along the way as well. It's kind of a clash of a few things, a lot of things that I like to do. And I just post videos on the internet for fun. Now, 2 months ago, when I was doing some research on things that I could do to earn some extra income, I ended up coming across Amazon Influencer Program. At first, I was thinking it was similar to the Amazon affiliate program where you simply just add a link into your bio, that kind of thing. Everybody kind of knows and understands that. But the Amazon Influencer Program is slightly different for the fact that it's a dedicated place on Amazon for you to post products that Amazon sells. And you promote them or you give a review about them. People watch the video anywhere from like 3 to 5 seconds at least of the video, and then if they make a purchase on it, then you get a commission as the influencer. And so that's what I decided I was gonna do, because I realized making $15 an hour is really not gonna cut it. It really isn't. So looking for something that is something that lines up with what I've done in the past before. And I've tried so many different things. I've tried to start businesses online, and I suck at that, honestly. But what I have been successful in is making money off of crypto, making money off of investing in stocks and ETFs. So I figured if I could add one more thing, it would be something in line with what I already know and love doing, which is making video content. I'm not the greatest at it either, but I enjoy the process a lot. So making reviews is just like kind of ish a no-brainer. So when I got started on the Amazon Influencer Program, what I had to do initially was, one, create an account. You create an account, they give you 2 different links. One is like your actual store, and one is just like a copy reference of your store, but I don't know, I think it's for Amazon personally. And you have to upload at least 3 videos, about a minute long, reviewing a product. And you have to, of course, meet their guidelines. You can't have children in the video, you can't use cursing, you can't show any personal information, things of that nature. If you want a full list of the community guidelines and rules, make sure to go check out this link. I will try to post below that will give you the full list, right? Everything that you shouldn't be doing. And I made 3 really quick videos. The first video was on the camera that I'm actually recording right now on. The second one was about a knife. Honestly, this was the more interesting thing. I know I'm about to jump ahead of myself, but when I made my review about my knife, I did it for like 45 seconds and I didn't say nothing, and that thing got approved much faster than the video I did about my camera. The camera one, that's the one I got flagged for. It got taken down because I ended up showing a street sign, and that was identifying personal information. So I was like, all right. And then the last one I did about my audio recorder. Once I made all 3 videos and uploaded it to the Amazon website, your page that they give you or to post the content on, I had to wait maybe about 5 hours before the videos either got approved or rejected. And of course, like I said, I got rejected because of my Panasonic review video. And what I did is I redid the entire video, took out the portion where I had any personal information exposing myself or something like that, and then got approved really quickly. Now, the precursor to getting started on the Amazon Influencer Program is you have to have a social media following on either YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. And what I chose to do was my TikTok, where I've already had loads of content from before just about my garden, and I haven't even been posting on TikTok in about 3 months. But because of the engagement that was already there, I got approved literally within seconds. So if you already have an existing TikTok, I would say use that. Have some type of engagement going on, then go ahead and apply. Once you get accepted into the program, make your 3 videos, upload it, wait. Then you're good. Then once you are approved, there is a second step for on-site commissions where you have to go. Trust me, I don't remember how I even found the link, but when I logged back into the Amazon Associates Central website, I seen a link for sign up for online commissions, and watching a few other YouTube videos, I was like, okay, that's probably what it is I need to click on. I clicked on that, and that was me filling out all of my tax information. That's how I know for sure once you fill out the tax information, then Amazon has a way to pay you. And I chose, you have an option between like direct deposit or sending a check in the mail, or it's a few different ways that Amazon can pay you. Now all I gotta do is make more videos really about any product that I have that Amazon sells. This morning I even started working on the microphone that's currently attached to the camcorder. I made one about the tripod. I made one about a few other things, a lens that I just got recently. I gotta keep all my stuff on. But simply enough, this is really passive for me. Honestly, you make the video once, and over the years, people are gonna watch it. If your content is good, if it looks relatable, it doesn't look too high in production quality. At least for me personally, when I'm looking at reviews, if it looks too high in production, then I kind of just dismiss it. You know, subconsciously, I kind of dismiss your overall take on it. But if it's just like an average Joe who's just like, yeah, I got this product, it's done this, and this for me, it's functional, it works in this capacity, it's actually really good, I'm more likely to believe it. So I kind of shape my content in that manner. I try not to make it too high production quality, but I want the same concept like YouTube. When you're making the video, you can make the video any kind of way, but if the thumbnail doesn't really catch your attention, you're less likely to click on it, right? I just kind of want to take that same aspect and bring it on over to the Amazon Associates program, where I make a good thumbnail, but then the video itself isn't as tailored. You know what I'm saying? It's not as quality as somebody would have probably expected to be. Just wanted to keep it very down to earth. If that's something you want to do, that's fine. I'm not saying that that's the best way to go, because there's people who've been very successful at making high production quality videos reviewing normal products, and they're doing extremely well. And now I just have to get to the point where I'm linking all of my products that I'm making content for on my other social media websites. So with that being said, now I'm just currently waiting to see how it plays out. I've already got a few views on one video that I made. I'm starting to focus more on things that are more popular, because the things that I made videos for was not all that popular, let's be real. With that being said, I really do hope that this was a clear explanation on what it is that I did. And if it's something that you want to check out, definitely go and do so, because if you're already making content for Instagram, if you're already making content for YouTube, it's just natural to segue into something like this. You're already making videos, why not make videos about something that you currently use? It comes off more authentic than a product that you just got, you don't know nothing really about it, but you're just kind of forcing the sale. And that's another thing when it comes to the reviews. Don't be salesy, because at the end of the day, you're not there to sell somebody else's product. You're there to help the customer make a better purchasing decision. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. There was already one product, the lens that I did a review for. This lens, no, I would not. I can't, because it's not built well at all. I just got it for the camcorder just so I can have a wider image, but it's not doing what it said it would do, and they got me the wrong product anyway. I went for a wide lens and they sent me a telephoto lens anyway. Don't know why. The box didn't have any kind of seals on it, which was here or there, either here or there, but the glass itself was shaking outside of the frame that is put in. It was just overall terrible. Make a video about it. Be honest. People are more likely to hear and accept negativity anyways, the way the internet works. So might as well just be truthful about your negative experience. Until then, I will see you guys hopefully soon. You do not have to subscribe. Please don't. Honestly, I really like people who want to be engaged with my content. If you're just here for whatever, I mean, it kind of hurts me as a creator having people who subscribe but don't watch my content. So if you're not here to subscribe and really be here for the ride, then don't, please.